Weight. Often we use the term mass and weight in the same sense, but actually they are two completely different physical quantities. The force with which the earth attracts the body towards its center is called weight. This force is also called the force of gravity. This force always acts on the body downward towards the earth. It is maximum on the surface of the earth. It varies with respect to the height and depth from its surface. As a result, the weight of an object starts decreasing as it moves higher above or deeper below the earth's surface. Even on the earth's surface, the weight of an object may vary from place to place. Its value is minimum at the poles and maximum at places lying on the equator. The weight of a body depends on the following factors: 1. Mass m of a body. 2. Acceleration due to gravity g. The weight W can be expressed as W is equal to m into g, as the value of acceleration varies from place to place due to gravity. The weight of a body also differs. Weight is a vector quantity having magnitude as well as direction. Whatever be the weight of a body on the surfaces of the earth, its weight becomes zero when it's taken to the center of the earth. Unit of weight. The SI unit of weight is Newton N. The subunit of weight is dyne. The weight of an object is also measured in kilogram force or gram force. 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton or 10 Newton. We can say that weight of a body of mass 1 kilogram is either 1 kilogram force or 10 Newton. Measurement of weight. Weight can be measured by using a device called spring balance, because the extension in the string depends on the force with which it is pulled downward by the earth. Thus, it is the gravitational force acting which operates the spring balance and not its mass. Let us discuss about it in detail. Spring balance. It is an instrument used to measure the weight of a body. A pointer and the long rod ending in hooks is attached to its lower end. The spring is enclosed in a metallic case, so that the pointer moves on a scale fixed to it and the hook hangs out the load. At the top of the case, a metallic hook is attached to hang the balance. A spring balance works on these principles. The extension produced in a string is directly proportional to the weight suspended from the strings. That is, if the weight of a body is more, the extension produced in the spring will also be more. In other words, the pointer will move downward to a greater extent. For the laboratory, small spring balance are used, and for the other purpose, large balance are used. Activity. To show that different weight exert different forces on the same spring. Take 3 springs of the same stiffness, that is, all 3 will show the same extension when the same force is applied. Suspend different weight, for example 5 gram, 10 gram and 15 gram on the spring. You will notice that all the springs will show different extension. That shows the different weight will exert different forces on the same spring, and hence different extension is observed. Differences between mass and weight. Mass, weight. 1. Mass is the quantity of matter possessed by a substance. Weight is the force by which the earth attracts a body towards it. 2. A beam balance for a physical balance is used to measure the mass of an object. A spring balance is used to measure the weight of an object. 3. Mass of an object is constant. Weight of an object changes from place to place. 4. It is a scalar quantity. It is a vector quantity. 5. It is measured in kilogram and grams. It is measured in Newton and kilogram force. The physical quantity which has magnitude only is called scalar quantities, while the quantity which has both magnitude and direction is called vector quantity. Do you know? The weight of an object on the moon is 1/6 of its weight on the earth. Do you know? Spring gauge balance is a simple force measuring device.